let's continue working on the content of some of these pages. So we'll just go down each one in order here. But let's look at the products page next. And one of the things we want to do is fix these headings. They look a little clumsy, especially being bold this way. And the other thing we might do is we'll do some style sheet stuff on them, make sure that they're consistently either uppercase, lowercase, whatever, first letter caps, whatever it is. And we'll throw in some more content and just to make sure things look okay. And then also well, anyway, we'll just work on the content of this page. So the first thing let's do is, we're actually going to fix this on all the pages. Is this top level heading here just looks a little clumsy to me being bold. So let's go and make that normal. And we'll also, I'm going to try making it, make it italic as well. So that font weight makes it normal. Font style italic should make it italic. And let's see, let's take a shot at that. Oops, I guess I've got to save this. Okay, so visually I'm trying to, it doesn't have the same lean as the runner sole up here. So, but it's different, it's different than this. So I'll ask Scott what he thinks straight up, or italic. But now let's go fix these headings, and that will be on the products page itself. So let's look at this products default page, and what we want to style is the these guys. Actually, there's in content title, and so it looks like that's going to be on the master page too. So the oops, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing there. I'm looking at down here in those list view. It'll be the product title. It's the class for these guys. There's product image. Let's look on the master page. Find that product title. Menu, 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 login holder. Oops. Okay, so where do we set that stuff? Rounded box, main wrapper. Set the class as product title. So maybe we're not changing it at all. We must be, oh, we're making them H3s. That's why they're bold. So let's come up in here then, and we'll set some style on this. And we'll say dot product title. And we'll say, again, font weight. And we'll make it normal. That takes the bold off of it. Okay, so let's save that and try that. Okay, so that looks a little better to me. Although again, it's a heading, so it stands out a little bit. But I'm not going to worry about the case. We'll just change that in the database. So let's go to the database now. So we'll have to log in and do that. I'm just going to type in a bunch of text, and we'll put in another product section 2. Oh, this darn thing. I don't know if you noticed this, but sometimes, when you first try to log in, the database engine's not awake. It needs to wake up. So I'm going to go to my admin page, and I want to edit an existing product section. So on shoes, actually I want to edit clothing first. And I want to call it, so I'm just going to change this. So only the first letter's caps. And then I'm going to go just grab some text off the internet. Grab something here from the Portland Marathon. And, oops, sorry. Need to come back here. We'll paste this in. And paste it in a little bit more. Okay, so we'll update this. And then we'll say down here, let's select shoes. And I'll paste in some more Portland Marathon text. And I'm just going to get rid of this. Okay, and we'll update this. You know, it looks like we should come back and update this to only display the first paragraph of the description here in our grid view, because we're getting too much. And then let's add one more. So let's go back to our admin page and add a product. And our category will be accessories. I think this is the only product or the categories that Scott's going to have. And again, we'll paste this in there just to get, you know, a good amount of text. And then, you know, oh, here's another thing I should fix. We should not force Scott to remember which pictures he has. We should give him a drop-down list. And we also need another place for make it easy for him to upload pictures. So let's see. I'm going to go here and see what pictures we have for them already. So we don't have an accessories picture. Let's see, we've got a bunch of pictures here for him. Shoes. We'll just grab this one. I'm going to pull this, you know, this one's real big. So, sorry, I'm going to change this to accessories, JPEG. Cut this out of here and put it in here. And then, sorry, back here, we'll say our pictures is accessories .jpg. We'll say insert. Okay. And so let's go now and look at the products page. So this is looking a little better. You know, we've got this. Then we've got the accessories down here. We've got kind of excessive amount of space in between these, so we'll come back on the next one and fix that. Then I also want to put at the bottom of the page we'll put some other stuff. But anyway, this is you know, this is looking better this way. I don't know what you think, but I think it's looking good. So we'll end this tutorial.